How to create a business card on Canva. First, you need to go to the Canva homepage. Then from here on the top right corner, you'll be able to see Create a Design. Once you click on it, you'd have to scroll down. Now you have to select if you want a portrait business card or a landscape business card. I'll be selecting portrait. You will now be redirected to the business card creating page. On the left side of the tab, you'll be able to see business card templates that you can choose from. If you want to select one with your image, then you can select any one of the templates where you can add an image. Or if you just want your name and your contact details, then you can select one with just text on it. Here you can see I have selected this one. Now you can edit your name from here. You can also edit your position. And you can do the same for location, your phone number, your mail address, and your company's website. If you want to change the logo, then you can delete this one and just upload one of your business logos from your PC. For that, all you have to do is go to upload, then go on ahead and click on upload files. Once the logo has been selected, you just have to adjust it on your business card. And if you want to remove the background, then you just have to click on it. Then go ahead and click on edit image. Now from here, you'll be able to see background remover. You might have to wait a couple of seconds for this one. And there you have it. If you want to change the font style and the size, then you just have to click on it and you can edit it from all of the options available at the top. You can increase the font size, pick a different color, and for the font you just have to change it from here. So there you have it. That is how you create a business card on Canva. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.